For generations, Manchester has been made great by those that have come from across the world to make Manchester their home and make our city a better place. Black History Month is a great opportunity for us to celebrate the role that our African and Caribbean communities have played in making Manchester the great city that it is today. There's also a really important message with this year's theme of standing firm in pride and power. At a time when people seek to sow division and create divided communities, this is about Manchester standing together to remember the legacy of the many black activists and pioneers that have made the city the great city it is today. But it's also a chance to celebrate, and to celebrate life today for many of Manchester's black communities. There's loads of events going across the city, from Aviva Studios celebrating the Black Trailblazers events, right through to community-based events. So find out more and get involved. But as we mark Black History Month, take a moment to think that collectively what we can achieve in Manchester to make our city even better only works we work side by side. We recognise the contribution of everybody that's made our city great, and we stand firm together in pride and power.
Hi, I'm Councillor Eamonn O'Brien, the leader of Bury Council, and I'm very pleased to be able to say a few words about Black History Month. We are very pleased to be putting on events here in Bury to celebrate the contribution, both today and historically, of black people to Bury. Whether they were the generation that came over through Windrush to work in our hospitals, whether that's black traders on our famous Bury market bringing us clothing and food from different parts of the world, or the contribution made in our cultural sector as well, in our theatres and in our music venues, in cafes and in bars. This has all contributed to the rich diversity here across the borough of Bury. And for this Black History Month, I'm really pleased to see that we are doing more than ever in terms of recognising that contribution and celebrating what it has done for Bury by putting on events at the Met Theatre, but also by promoting interesting books to read through our libraries. There is a huge amount we can be doing to showcase what black people and the community more generally have contributed to Bury, and I'm really pleased that across Greater Manchester we're able to do this.
Hi, I'm Councillor Arooj Shah, leader of Oldham Council. Black History Month is a vital time for us to reflect, to celebrate and to learn. Here in Oldham and across Greater Manchester, people of African and Caribbean heritage have made and continue to make an incredible contribution to our communities, shaping our culture, our economy and our shared story. This month is also a reminder of the strength we find in all of our diverse communities. Oldham's identity has always been built on people coming from different backgrounds, and that diversity is our greatest strength. I'm so proud that Oldham stands alongside our partners across Greater Manchester in championing Black History Month. And I'd also like to thank the Caribbean and African Health Network and all those working to make sure that this celebration has true meaning to it, because together we're stronger.
Hello, I'm Councillor Mark Roberts, leader of Stockport Council, and I'm proud to represent Stockport as part of Greater Manchester's Black History Month celebrations. Black History Month is a time to honour the rich heritage, achievements and contributions of the African and Caribbean communities, both nationally and right here in Stockport. It's a moment to reflect, to learn and to celebrate the diversity that strengthens our borough. In Stockport, we're committed to building an inclusive future, from supporting local black-led organisations like Stockport Race Equality Partnership to hosting cultural events that bring communities together. We're working to ensure that Black history is recognised not just in October, but all year round. This month, we celebrate the stories, the resilience and the leadership that continue to shape our borough and inspire future generations. Thank you.
I'm Councillor David Molyneux and I'm the leader of Wigan Council. And here at Wigan Council we're very pleased to support Black History Month. As part of our Progress with Unity plan, it is important that we break down barriers that might create inequalities. We want Wigan Borough to be a fairer, kinder place where all our residents can feel proud to be themselves and where they celebrate diverse communities. We have recently adopted an anti-racism charter, which means actively to seek and eliminate discrimination, harassment and victimisation based on race, colour or religion. We encourage our staff, our council members and our residents to see the real person, to have more of a conversation with each other and ask questions and take time to listen deeply. Black History Month is a fantastic opportunity to do this. And I hope learning more about each other's experiences, cultures and different issues we all face, we can lead to an understanding and unity in